Welcome everybody. This video is going to be a tutorial on how to statically set your IP address. So first what we need to find out is what network we're currently on now and what IP address we're given. So how to obtain that information is going down to your start button. If you're on Windows XP, you're going to hit run, and run will bring up this command prompt. You'll type in command and hit start, and for Windows 7 just type in command down here and hit enter. Then the DOS prompt will come up. You're going to go ahead and type in ipconfig. This currently shows my IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway I am automatically provided, and I want to change that to something that will not change again, or will not be automatically given to me, or there's no lease time to it. So what we need to do to get that is we'll move this to the side, since these three things are extremely vital for statically setting our IP. Move that to the side there. We're going to go down to Start, Control Panel. Control Panel is going to bring us Network and Sharing Center. We're then going to go up to Change Adapter Settings. We're going to right click and go to our properties for our local area connection. Within there, we're going to hit TCP IP version 4, Internet Protocol version. And here it does indicate I am obtaining an IP address automatically, and I want to statically set it to something that won't change. So, and it is also wise to statically set it outside of your DHCP addressing pool. So that way anybody else that's getting on your network that you are allowing on isn't getting that IP, and they won't get errors stating that there's an IP address conflict. So I'm going to set it outside, which I know my pool, so network. And we also need to have our DNS server. The way to find that information out is to access our default gateway page. So we need to access our router. Oh, let me make sure that I actually saved that. Oh, didn't save that information. Let's go in there and just input that one more time. And what's going to happen, you could save it, but you shouldn't get online. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to access my router page. There's two ways to do this, especially if you're running Windows 7. You go to Start, you can go up there to Network, and Network, it's going to list your devices, and under Network Infrastructure is your router. Mine's Extreme and Gaming router. You may have a Linksys, Netgear, Belkin, whatever it may be. You'll right click on it and view device web page, which brings it up right here under my default gateway, or you can do it by accessing, going down to Start again and typing in iExplore 10.0.0.1. Now you guys may have 192.168.1. something or 0. something or 2. something. This is mine though, however, so I'm going to hit enter. And that brings it up as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and access this. So I'm going to put in my characters here. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hide this from you guys for security reasons. And what you will find is a DNS server here. Those are my DNS servers. So what I will do now, I will bring up my go back to the control panel, back to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, properties, TCP version 4, IP version 4. Oops. And now I want to put what I saw, so I put 68.105.28.11, and there's usually just some small alteration to it with 29.11. Okay, so this is all you need. This is statically setting your IP address. Once you have this information, you're on your way to the web and you're doing your thing. And as long as you did it right, your IP address is not outside the subnet mask that you put it on. So you're going to go ahead and hit OK, hit close. Network still hasn't changed. And we're also going to go ahead and verify that I've got internet by going down again, start, typing in CMD, bringing up the prompt, typing in ipconfig now, and here, as you can see, I've got 0.2 statically set. Now I know we statically set it, but also a fun or a good command you could do is a /all at the end. This will show everything about it. So if I go up to my preferred network, which is, there it is right here, shows my DNS that I set, and to make sure and know that you don't have DHCP enabled, you see under this category, go to the right, and no. Yes basically means you're obtaining it automatically. No means you have changed it to something you prefer and you do not want it to change. So now the only faithful way to test it is to ping yahoo.com. And we got replies. There we go. So what I can do now, which is the other way of testing, we are on Google. And we've got a web page. So you can see that we're browsing the web, and that, my friends, is my video on the tutorial of statically setting your IP address. Thank you so much. Hope you guys found this video informative, and thank you for viewing. Please subscribe.